everybody, welcome to Detoxify for Vibrant Health with Tony. This is another herbal and spice mix that I'm making up. This one's called Vital Flow, and it's especially for getting all the things moving in your body. It's anti-inflammatory and full of antioxidants and other goodies. So it's good for circulation, for clearing the blood, for your respiration, for the cardiovascular health. So all the good things. It's also considered antiviral, but you know my point of view on that, which is that it basically means it's a detoxifier. So in here I've got some cayenne pepper, some fennel, some powdered garlic and ginger and onion, then some Nigella seeds, oregano, rosemary, thyme and turmeric. So if you're wanting to make up something like this, it's pretty much equal amounts of everything, but the cayenne is a little strong, so I've made that about 1/5 of the other amounts. So I'm going to use this one. I used a little before just in some vegetables and just cooked it up, and it was delicious. And I'm also going to infuse it in some olive oil so that it can be used after a few days, just on top of vegetables and salads and things like that. So if you'd like to give that a go, let me know how you go. And yeah, till next time, my friends, be well and keep dreaming the good dream. Ciao for now.